The best affordable vintage car. Number 1. Buick Le Saber, 1960. Creation history. The Buick Le Saber 1960 is a classic American full-size car produced by Buick, a division of General Motors. The Le Saber was introduced in 1959 and continued through various generations. The 1960 model year represented the second generation of the Le Saber. This car had three main advantages. The first, stylish design. The 1960 Buick Le Saber featured a sleek and stylish design, typical of the era's emphasis on chrome accents, distinctive tail fins, and large sweeping body lines. The second, V8 engine power. The Le Saber was known for its powerful V8 engines, providing ample performance and a smooth driving experience. The engines of the time were often prized for their reliability and durability. The third, spacious interior. As a full-size car, the Le Saber offered a spacious interior with comfortable seating. The emphasis on passenger comfort was a key feature, making it suitable for long drives. Interesting facts about the automobile. Electra 225 influence. The Buick Le Saber shared design elements with the more upscale Buick Electra 225. This contributed to the Le Saber's distinguished appearance and a touch of luxury. Wide range of body styles. The Le Saber was available in various body styles, including sedans, coupes, convertibles, and estate wagons. This versatility allowed buyers to choose a model that suited their preferences. Continued production. The Le Saber series continued production for several decades, evolving with changing automotive trends. The 1960 model year is particularly notable for its distinctive styling. As of now, the Buick Le Saber 1960 has an estimated value of $3,900. The value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, originality. Number 2. Triumph TR7, 1978. Creation history. The Triumph TR7 1978 is a part of the TR7 series, a sports car line produced by the British manufacturer Triumph from 1974 to 1981. The TR7 aimed to modernize Triumph's sports car image with a wedge-shaped design distinctive for its time. This car had three main advantages. The first, wedge design. The TR7 featured a bold and modern wedge-shaped design, a departure from the traditional sports car aesthetics. The design was an attempt to capture the contemporary automotive styling trends of the late 1970s. The second, lightweight construction. The TR7 incorporated lightweight materials in its construction, contributing to better fuel efficiency and handling. The use of lightweight components aimed to enhance the car's overall performance. The third, independent suspension. The car was equipped with independent suspension, improving its handling characteristics and providing a more comfortable ride compared to some of its predecessors. Interesting facts about the automobile. Drop head variant. In addition to the coupe model, a convertible variant known as the TR7 drop head was also available. The convertible option added to the car's appeal, offering an open-air driving experience. Rally success. The TR7 had some success in rallying, particularly in the hands of private teams. It participated in various competitions, contributing to Triumph's motorsport legacy. End of production. The TR7 marked the end of the TR series as the production ceased in 1981. Despite mixed reviews during its production, the TR7 has gained a degree of appreciation among collectors and enthusiasts over the years. As of now, the Triumph TR7 1978 has an estimated value of $3,950. The value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, originality, and the presence of any modifications. The TR7, while not as iconic as some of its predecessors, has found a place in automotive history as a representation of the design trends of the late 1970s. It is appreciated by collectors who value its unique styling and its role in the transition of sports car design during that era. Number 3. Chevrolet Corvette, 1978. Creation history. The Chevrolet Corvette 1978 is part of the third generation of the iconic Corvette sports car, also known as the C3. The C3 generation spanned from 1968 to 1982 and is characterized by its distinctive design and performance. This car had three main advantages. The first, styling evolution. The 1978 Corvette continued the sleek and aerodynamic design introduced in previous years, featuring the distinctive fastback styling and pop-up headlights that became synonymous with the Corvette brand. The second, performance options. The 78 Corvette was available with different engine options, catering to a range of performance preferences. It offered a blend of speed, handling, and overall driving excitement. The third, T-top roof. Many 1978 Corvettes were equipped with a removable T-top roof, providing an open-air driving experience and adding to the car's allure. Interesting facts about the automobile. Silver anniversary. 1978 marked the 25th anniversary of the Corvette, and to celebrate, a special silver anniversary edition was released with a distinctive two-tone silver over grey paint scheme. Pace car for the Indy 500. A limited edition Corvette Indy pace car replica was produced in honor of the Corvette being chosen as the pace car for the 1978 Indianapolis 500. Power plant variety. The 78 Corvette offered engine options ranging from the base 185 horsepower V8 to the more powerful L82 engine, providing buyers with choices to suit their performance preferences. As of now, the Chevrolet Corvette 1978 has an estimated value of $5,000. However, the actual value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, originality, and any modifications it may have undergone. The 1978 Corvette is highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Well-maintained examples, especially those with unique features like the Silver Anniversary Edition, are considered valuable. Many enthusiasts appreciate the C3 Corvette for its distinctive styling and its role in Corvette's storied history. Number 4. Chevrolet Malibu Classic 1977. Creation history. The Chevrolet Malibu Classic 1977 is part of the well-known Malibu lineup produced by Chevrolet, a division of General Motors. The Malibu series was introduced in 1964 and has undergone various transformations over the years. The 1977 model year represented the fifth generation of the Malibu. This car had three main advantages. The first, classic design. The Malibu Classic 1977 featured a classic and timeless design. Its sleek lines and well-proportioned body made it a popular choice among buyers. The second, versatility. This model was offered in various body styles, including coupes, sedans, and station wagons, providing customers with options to suit their preferences. The third, comfort and performance. The Malibu Classic prioritized passenger comfort, offering a smooth ride and well-appointed interior. It was equipped with various engine options to cater to different performance needs. Interesting facts about the automobile. In 1977, the Chevrolet Malibu Classic was well received for its balanced combination of style, performance, and practicality. The Malibu nameplate has a long and storied history, and the 1977 model is considered a representative of the Malibu's successful evolution. During the late 1970s, automotive manufacturers faced challenges related to fuel efficiency standards and emissions regulations, influencing the design and performance of cars like the Malibu Classic. As of now, the Chevrolet Malibu Classic 1977 has an estimated value of $3,900. The value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, mileage, and any modifications or restoration work that may have been done. The Chevrolet Malibu Classic has become a sought-after classic car among enthusiasts. Many well-maintained examples can be found in the hands of collectors and at vintage car events. Restoration projects are also common, as enthusiasts aim to preserve the charm of this iconic. Number 5. Ford Tudor Sedan 1939. Creation history. The Ford Tudor Sedan 1939 was introduced by the Ford Motor Company between 1937 and 1940. This model was part of the Ford Deluxe series, offering a stylish and innovative car for its time. During this period, Ford aimed to refresh its models and provide consumers with more modern and comfortable options. This car had three main advantages. The first, design. The Ford Tudor Sedan 1939 featured a refined and elegant design. It had characteristic styling elements of that era, including rounded shapes, chrome details, and sophisticated lines. The second, advanced technologies. For its time, the car was equipped with advanced technologies that improved handling and driving comfort. The third, durability and reliability. Ford was always known for producing reliable cars, and the Tudor sedan model was no exception. High build quality and durable materials ensured a long service life. Interesting facts about the automobile. In 1939, the Ford Tudor sedan was introduced to the market as part of the 1940 model year, despite its actual production year. This model was available with various body style options, allowing buyers to choose according to their needs. During that time, Ford actively utilized innovative manufacturing methods, making their cars more accessible to a broader range of consumers. Currently, the Ford Tudor sedan 1939 has an estimated value of $3,500. The price may vary depending on the car's condition, history, and any restoration work performed by owners. Many vintage car enthusiasts seek to preserve and restore cars from this era. Numerous Ford Tudor sedans can be found in car collections, at vintage car shows, and in working condition, thanks to the efforts of dedicated owners. This car represents not only a piece of automotive history, but also an opportunity to enjoy the unique style and character of the golden age of automobiles. If you want more affordable vintage cars, subscribe.